Hey Faith Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube. But as you guys saw by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an exciting video today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I want to give away with the company Krown Dolls. And the company Krown Dolls is actually a black-owned business. So y'all know we want to support our black-owned sisters, okay? But yeah, so I want to give away, and I don't remember what the prize was exactly for what I won. I won the Thankful Thursday winner. And so here's the box. And I'm also going to leave Krown Dolls Instagram in my description box down below. And I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see it. And if you guys want to see what I got in my box, continue watching. And if y'all wondering why I have the same outfit on as I did in the last video, it's because I recorded 2 videos in the same day. I recorded the Pretty Girls Bangles unboxing the same day that I'm recording this video. Alright you guys, so I won the mint conditioner with coconut water. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, I love their wrapping. Their wrapping is so cute. And I love like the crown. And I love how it's like gold and black. That's one of my favorite colors is gold. It smells good too. It smells like minty. And I love this consistency. It's like really creamy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's pretty thick, as you guys can see too. But y'all, I cannot wait until I take out my goddess lock so I can try this product out. And I actually have a lot of products to use to like review. So this is definitely going to be one that you guys will want to be looking out for. And the ingredients is water, aloe vera juice, cetyl acid. But it says on the container, our creamy mint deep conditioner provides superb conditioning for even the driest hair. And y'all, my hair really can get dry. So this is definitely going to be a good product for me. Stop your hair breakage. Coconut water is incredible. Coconut water is incredibly hydrating and helps keep your hair conditioned and prevents it from breaking. This makes your hair much easier to manage. It is rich in essential vitamins and minerals like the B vitamins and potassium. So yeah, you guys, that's all I have for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys what I won from the giveaway. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But if you guys made it to the end of this video, I will hope that you guys would have subscribed, because why wouldn't you? My channel is really nice. I post really good content, and I post like a variety of content. So why don't you join the Faith Gang by just clicking the subscribe button. And if you guys want to get alerted every time I post another video, tap the bell button so you guys can get alerted every time I post another video. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. But I hope that you guys have a great day and a great week whenever you're watching this.